This is the all-new NotePin S from Plaud, the second generation of their highly successful NotePin line of products, and it's packed with a bunch of new improvements that make this far superior than the original. Let me tell you all about it and give you my review on what might be Plaud's most portable compact device available. Now first, if you're not familiar with Plaud, Plaud is probably the #1 AI note-taking and meeting assistant product in the space at this time. They have a whole suite of products: the original NotePin, this brand new NotePin S, their Note, and the Note Pro. I've done reviews of the Plaud Note and Plaud Note Pro here on the channel before. If you want to check those out before you watch the rest of this video, click the links down below. But this is all about the Plaud NotePin S, their second generation Plaud NotePin product, and it's got some features that set it far and above what the original generation could do. You can wear it in 3 different ways. You can clip it onto your shirt with the included magnetic clip, you can wear it around your neck with the included lanyard strap, and you can even wear it on your wrist with the included wrist strap. And for any other use case, like just setting it on a table, it has a smooth back that you can clip on magnetically to just set it and forget it. In the box, all of these different attachments are included. So whether you want to wear the lanyard, wear it on the wrist strap, or you want to clip it onto your shirt for meetings, whatever you desire, the Plaud NotePin S includes everything you need to get up and going. And where the original Plaud NotePin had no buttons on the front, the new NotePin S has a physical button that not only can be long pressed to start and stop recordings, but short pressed to highlight key moments during your recordings. This is exactly what you see on the Plaud Note. This is a huge addition, especially if you're taking really long notes and you want to make sure that you have the key moments in that recording to jump back to. I also really like the little USB-C powered charging dock for the Plaud NotePin S, which has a nice rubber backing so it doesn't slip away on your desk when it's charging. You just take whatever back off the NotePin S, slide it under this charger, and within 1 to 2 hours, you're ready to start recording again. The NotePin S is rated for up to 20 hours of continuous recording and up to 40 days on standby. And for a device that's 17.5, 18 grams of weight, that is extremely impressive. And so far in my testing, I'm on my first charge still. I've been using this guy for about 3 weeks to record meetings for my day job and for my freelance work, and it's still kicking with over 70% battery left. Now my NotePin S is here in the black finish, but it also comes in a silver and even a cool purple finish if that's your speed, but they're all the same great price. At the time of this recording, the NotePin S is 249 Canadian dollars, which puts it right in between the NotePin original and the Note, good middle ground. So if you're looking to get your feet wet, you don't want the basic product, but you want something sort of in between, the NotePin S might be the one for you. But just like I've experienced with both Plaud's Note and Note Pro, the recording capture and summarization features of the NotePin S are fantastic. Exactly what I've come to expect from the Plaud brand. Plaud can capture in up to 112 languages and can identify different speakers in each of the transcriptions, so it knows contextually which speaker is which and what the subject is talking about. And like in the Note and Note Pro, there's multimodal input, so you can mix your transcriptions with images and other data sources to create a more full, rich picture of your meetings and the summaries within them. And for reference, this is what the mics on the NotePin S sound like. Let me know what you guys think of the audio quality. Something that is brand new that Plaud has not done before, though, is the launch of their new PLAUD Desktop Companion app, which launched at the exact same time as this NotePin S. And I have been testing that out as well during my time with this product, and it works pretty well. Whether you're on macOS or Windows, Plaud's desktop app is compatible with both. Now, I do have a couple of nitpicks with the desktop app because so far it doesn't appear to be a true desktop application. Yes, you can capture and record directly from the app that gets installed onto your computer, but when you want to review, summarize, transcribe, that actually happens in a web browser window, which Plaud syncs that recording into. Very similar to how the app works on your smartphone, where the audio is synced from the Plaud device to the app and then transcribed in the cloud and sent back. I would love if Plaud could do it all natively on your actual device versus using the browser. That would just make it a little bit more flexible and potentially allow you to view transcription summaries and mind maps on the desktop even when offline, which currently you can't do. But at least all the core functionality is available in this new hybrid desktop and web app. You can review transcriptions, all of your meeting summaries, you can generate new ones, and of course see the mind maps. You can even use the Ask Plaud to query those transcriptions and pull relevant data. Everything that you can do exactly the same on the mobile app is now here on desktop as well. And of course, I love that Plaud and all their products are fully compliant with all of the major security and privacy standards out there: ISO 27001, ISO 27701, GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2, and EN 18031. So rest assured, your data, your recordings, your transcriptions, your summaries is all safe, secure, and encrypted and protected. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't get permission before recording your meetings like I do. So all in all, I've really been enjoying my time using Plaud's new NotePin S. Just like with the Note Pro, super reliable, super functional, incredible battery life, and incredibly compact. And again, this is probably the most compact and portable version of Plaud's device that you can get, other than the original NotePin. But this one just has a little bit more bang for the buck. I've primarily been wearing it on the wrist strap. I always wear a watch on my wrist anyways, so it just kind of goes with what I'm wearing regardless. And it just blends in. It's very discreet and does not draw attention or draw away from the meetings. And the summarization is fantastic. I love that I can also now view it on the mobile app and desktop, whichever I might have access to at the time. And all the same features are available on both platforms, which is great. The only drawback I can see with the NotePin and NotePin S line versus the Note Pro is the ability to record phone calls. You don't get that here unless, of course, you're taking your calls on speakerphone. While this device is equipped with a great mic array, and again, audio capture quality is very solid overall, this does not have the internal special microphones that capture when placed against your phone, which is a key feature of the Note and Note Pro. If you are primarily looking to take phone meetings and record them using a Plaud device, those other products might be better suited for you. But for so many other use cases, the NotePin S is a fantastic choice. Whether you're a business professional and you're recording your meetings, or you're a student and you want to record your lectures, or even if you're a content creator doing what I'm doing right now, want to record some highlights or notes for a video, or have a transcribed version of your A-roll content so you can put that into your video description, what have you, the Plaud NotePin has you covered there. The only other thing that I unfortunately have to nag with Plaud is still their pricing structure and subscription model. All of Plaud's devices do include 300 minutes of transcribed audio notes every single month. To get more than that, you do have to start paying a monthly fee. At the time of this recording, the Pro plan, which is 1,200 minutes a month, is $11.67 a month, and the unlimited plan is $24.99 per month. So depending on what you use these Plaud devices for, and if you are going to need more minutes, just be mindful that the purchase price is not where the buck will stop. While Plaud's audio quality, hardware quality, and transcription quality, apps, etc. is far ahead of the competition, there are competitors in the space who are doing a slightly better job at their pricing structure, and they are definitely coming for a piece of Plaud's pie if they don't make this a little bit more appealing. But other than that, Plaud's NotePin S is a great product, great addition to the lineup. I've really enjoyed using it. I've still got my Note Pro, which I use all the time, but for certain circumstances, the NotePin S is just easier to use. So I'll be definitely sure to hold on to that lanyard and that wrist strap and take it with me so I'm always ready. But as always, what do you guys think of the Plaud NotePin S? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want one? Or do you already have one? Let's have a conversation down below in the comments. And thank you to Plaud for sending over the NotePin S for me to check out and review for you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.